Hi, welcome back to MATLAB. In today's video, we are going to see how you can solve exponential equations, meaning those types of equations in which the unknown term is at the exponent. And we have 3 to the power of x minus 2 multiplied with 3 to the power of x plus 2 plus 3 to the power of x plus 3 equals with 13. But first, hit the subscribe button, and those who stay until the end of the video will find out the next exercise for tomorrow. And here we have 3 to the power of x minus 2 multiplied with 3 to the power of 2 multiplied with 3 to the power of x plus 3 to the power of x multiplied with 3 equals with 30. I have rewritten my first equation. Now I will factorize 3 to the power of x and I will rewrite the last numbers that remains equals 30. This one is equivalent with 10 multiplied with 3 to the power of x equals 30. Results now that 3 to the power of x equals 3 and results that x equals 1, my solution. Let's take the next example. 2 to the power of x plus 1 minus 3 multiplied with 2 to the power of x plus 2 plus 5 multiplied with 2 to the power of x plus 3 equals 6. This time I am going to use logarithms in order to solve this equation. Resulting here that 2 to the power of x plus 1 minus 3 multiplied with 2 multiplied with 2 to the power of x plus 1 plus 5 multiplied with 2 to the power of 2 multiplied with 2 to the power of x plus 1. In here, I have rewritten the initial equations using exponential properties. And we have 2 to the power of x plus 1 common factor multiply with 1 minus 6 plus 20 after I calculate, of course, equals with 6. In here also equals 6. Results in here that 15 multiplied with 2 to the power of x plus 1 equals 6. Results that 2 to the power of x plus 1 equals with 2 over 5, yes? Results also that x plus 1 equals with log of base 2 of 2 over 5. Results that x equals with log base 2 of 2 over 5 minus 1. Results that I make the calculation and I have x equals with log base 2 of 2 over 10. If I simplify, results that x equals with log base 2 of 1 over 5. And because you stayed till the end, hope you understood those two types of equations. Hit the subscribe button and tomorrow I will see you to solve exponential equation with inequalities and fractions. Thanks you for watching.